Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the secret to feeling full and satisfied. These 10 foods are an absolute must-try, and let me tell you, they're bloody delicious too. Right, let's kick off with a proper breakfast, the kind that fuels your body and mind for the day ahead. None of that sugary cereal rubbish. It's time to say goodbye to empty calories and hello to real nutrition. Oatmeal, my friends, that's where it's at. It's a powerhouse of nutrients. It's packed full of fiber, which acts like a sponge in your stomach, keeping you feeling full for hours. Plus, it helps regulate your digestion. Add a dollop of Greek yogurt for protein, a sprinkle of cinnamon for flavor, and some fresh berries for a burst of vitamins. That's a breakfast that'll set you up for the day, giving you the energy and nutrients you need to tackle whatever comes your way. Next up, we've got the avocado. This creamy green goddess is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with healthy fats and fiber. Slice them onto your toast, whip up guacamole, or add them to your salads. Ditch the processed junk and embrace the avocado. Now let's talk about Greek yogurt. This stuff is a protein powerhouse, essential for feeling full and satisfied. We want plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt, the real deal. Top it with fresh fruit and a drizzle of honey, or use it as a base for dips and sauces. The possibilities are endless. Lentils, my friends, are a revelation. These tiny powerhouses are often overlooked, but they deserve a place in every kitchen. These little legumes are packed with protein and fiber, making them a fantastic option for a hearty meal. They are versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. Toss them in soups, stews, and salads, and watch how they transform your meals into something extraordinary. Or use them as a base for veggie burgers. They make a delicious and nutritious alternative to meat. They soak up flavors like a dream, adding wonderful texture and earthiness. Whether you season them with herbs or spices, they never disappoint. They're cheap, cheerful, and bloody good for you. So next time you're planning a meal, don't forget the humble lentil. It might just become your new favorite ingredient. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, or so they say. Apples are a fantastic source of fiber and water, filling you up without piling on the calories. Keep a few on hand for a quick snack, or slice them into your morning oatmeal. Now let's talk about almonds. These little nuts are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber. A handful of almonds is the perfect pick-me-up when that afternoon slump hits. Keep a bag in your desk drawer, your car, or your handbag for a quick snack on the go. Don't underestimate these tiny powerhouses. Chia seeds may be small, but they pack a serious nutritional punch. Add a tablespoon or two to your smoothies, yogurt, or even your water for an extra boost of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. Forget those bland, boring potatoes. We're talking about sweet potatoes. These beauties are high in fiber and have a low glycemic index, keeping you feeling fuller for longer. Roast them, mash them, or spiralize them for a healthy alternative to pasta. Eggs are a breakfast staple, and for good reason. They're a fantastic source of protein, crucial for keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Poach them, scramble them, fry them, bake them. The possibilities are endless. Add them to salads, sandwiches, or even pizzas for a protein boost. Last but not least, we have quinoa, the ancient grain that has taken the culinary world by storm. This complete protein is also high in fiber, making it a fantastic base for a filling meal. Use it as a base for salads, stir-fries, or even as a substitute for rice. It's incredibly versatile and easy to cook. So there you have it, 10 incredible foods that can transform your diet and your life. These foods will keep you feeling full and satisfied all day long, helping you maintain a balanced diet effortlessly. Incorporate these powerhouse ingredients into your daily meals and feel the difference. You'll have more energy, better focus, and an overall sense of well-being. Plus, you'll be less likely to reach for those unhealthy snacks that can derail your health goals. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on healthy eating and living. Your support helps us create more content to guide you on your health journey. See you next time.